Hello and welcome to a tutorial and walkthrough video of our Easy Source tool. I could not be any more excited to share this with you. This is the strongest, most powerful sourcing tool available on the marketplace. This is a world's first partnership and collaboration with Alibaba themselves, the masters of sourcing. And we have created this tool alongside their team to really streamline and make sourcing easy for you based on your business needs. So you're going to find that you can create custom settings for exactly what you're looking for in a supplier. And as you do your product research and as you do your sourcing research, we are only going to show you the suppliers that fit within those business needs. This is a very, very exciting tool, a world's first, and something that is included in your Zonguru subscription. So let's take a look at how it works. All right, so as you can see here, we are inside of Amazon.com and we are looking at a very interesting product category here. This is just an herb garden starter kit. I have pulled up the Chrome extension and you might notice there's an extra little widget here. This is one way in which you can use the Easy Source tool, and that is getting quick views of suppliers that fit the settings that you set up inside of your account. We'll get to that in a second. And we'll show you the suppliers that manufacture products just like this as you do your product research on Amazon.com. So this is a great product. You can see here the average seller does 65K in monthly revenue. Average seller only has 358 reviews, a niche score of 64%. My ears are perking up a little bit looking at this information. So the next step would be to check out what suppliers provide this product. And now you can see here that I clicked the source on Alibaba.com. We can see a little bit of a price range here, and we pulled the top 2 suppliers based on the settings that we've set up inside of Zonguru. And we'll show this in a second, how to set up those settings. But we can see here, this seller has been around for 8 years. We can, if we click on this, it'll take us to Alibaba.com and show us this supplier's storefront. We can see what they're called, that they have the trade assurance verification, and then also some information around the volume at which they move their products, where they're located, and the type that they are, whether or not they're a trading partner or if they're a manufacturer, as well as the price range and MOQ. All of the critical information that you need at a glance as you do your product research is right there. Now, when we click See More, it's going to take us over to Zonguru, and we're going to be able to get even more information around these suppliers that supply this particular product. So you can see here that Herb Garden Starter Kit Indoor, which is the search term that we used on Amazon.com, has already been inserted for us. We've already run the results for the suppliers that fit our custom settings. Now, the custom settings are right here, and this is really important to set up before you begin using the tool, because we're going to show you a wide array of products. For example, where all of the suppliers on Alibaba might be located, the verifications that they have, whether or not they're verified by Alibaba or not, or if you just want to see all, and then whether or not they are ready to ship. So right now I have the all. I want to see a broad range of suppliers set up, and so these are the suppliers that I'm going to see in my list. You can also see here, I can go ahead and filter down the results even further by the years that they've been selling, the supplier type, and also the Alibaba rating, which are great filters to have. We can see a little bit of a summary breakdown here as well, like the price, MOQ, and the lead times. And then, this is where the real magic is, in the abbreviated information that is right at your fingertips before even navigating to Alibaba. So what we're doing here is we are showing you a curated list of the suppliers that fit your business needs. And we can see here, again, the price and MOQ, more information around the product, as well as, any verifications that they have, like trade assurance, the type, years that they've been on Alibaba, the revenue that they generate, the markets that they supply to, and so much more. So you can see here, we already see some really cool looking products, and we can continue to show more, basically get a unlimited list of verified partners of ours. So this is an amazing tool. You're going to need to jump in here, check it out, see what all it can provide for your business. And we really do look forward to and feel confident that we are going to hear from customers very, very soon that have used this tool and built empires with manufacturers or trading companies, and just really having those things taken off on Amazon. So go ahead, dive in, check it out. As always, if you have any questions about the tool, you can reach us in the bottom right-hand corner here to receive chat support. You can also check out the training and FAQs for this tool here, or you can reach out to us at support@zonguru.com. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the other side.